Hi, my name is Amanda Harlow, and this is my final project for Art 205. It is called Mechanical Reproduction of the Spectacle, inspired by the writings of Guy Debord and Walter Benjamin. The conditions of modernity can be linked to the development of mechanical reproduction. These conditions have influenced a collective consciousness that has transformed the ways that art is made, distributed, viewed, and valued. Visual culture today reflects capitalist values that rely on false consciousness, illusion, and representation, which are mediated by images. In the work of Art in the Age of Mechanical Reproduction, theorist Walter Benjamin explains that mechanical reproduction of art changes the reaction of the masses toward art. A change in the criterion of authenticity was brought on by mechanical reproduction and has since been furthered with advancements in digital distribution. This change in authenticity has altered the function of art. Walter Benjamin expresses, but the instant the criterion of authenticity ceases to be applicable to artistic production, the total function of art is reversed. Instead of being based on ritual, it begins to be based on another practice, politics. Guy Debord regards the status of society as a mere contemplation of itself, mediated by images in the society of the spectacle. He explains, images detached from every aspect of life merge into a common stream, and the former unity of life is lost forever. Apprehended in a partial way, reality unfolds in a new generality as a pseudo-world apart, solely as an object of contemplation. The tendency towards the specialization of images of the world finds its highest expression in the world of the autonomous image, where deceit deceives itself. The spectacle in its generality is a concrete inversion of life and, as such, the autonomous movement of non-life. The transformations discussed by Walter Benjamin support Debord's ideas behind the society of spectacle. Both theorists attribute the nature of visual culture to the dominant mode of production. Debord states, the spectacle is both the outcome and the goal of the dominant mode of production. It is the very heart of society's real unreality. In all its specific manifestations, news or propaganda, advertising, or the actual consumption of entertainment, the spectacle epitomizes the prevailing model of society. It is the omnipresent celebration of a choice already made in the sphere of production, and the consummate result of that choice. In form as in content, the spectacle serves as a total justification for the conditions and aims of the existing system. It further ensures the permanent presence of that justification, for it governs almost all time spent outside the production process itself. Benjamin explains, the desire of contemporary masses to bring things closer, spatially and humanly, which is as ardent as their bent towards overcoming the uniqueness of every reality by accepting its reproduction. Every day, the urge grows stronger to get a hold of an object at very close range by way of its likeness, its reproduction. To pry an object from its shell, to destroy its aura, is the mark of a perception whose sense of the universal equality of things has increased to such a degree that it extracts even from a unique object by means of reproduction. Thus is manifested in the field of perception what in the theoretical sphere is noticeable in the increasing importance of statistics. The adjustment of reality to the masses and of the masses to reality is a process of unlimited scope, as much for thinking as for perception. These combined theories exemplify the status of visual culture today. Debord describes much of what is happening in the art world and its periphery today with one final claim: the spectacle is capital, accumulated to the point where it becomes image.